I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, and this is Sap, my puppy. And today we're going to answer the question of who will be cleaning your home. Here at Pink Power, we work in teams of 2 to 3 people, and we generally try to have the same team leader in your home. It can change a little bit between a couple of team leaders, but for the most part, you will get used to the same people in your home. And they also will get used to your home and what you like and what you don't like. So that's really helpful. As far as who we hire, we do background checks on all of our employees. It's very important to us that your home is safe. We do Facebook checks, Instagram, before we hire them. Because once again, that tells you a lot about a person more than just their criminal history. And that is a big weeding out process for us. So we only hire the best people to come into your home so that we know that everything is safe. So yeah, two to three people who have been completely background checked and are ready and happy to come in and make your home sparkle.